Are we dealing with crisis? What's gonna happen next? Let's find out. It's not a housing crisis, more of a information crisis. I get it. A lot of confusion, a lot of information, kind of hard to really sort out what to believe and what not to believe. And that's exactly what we're gonna talk about today. Confusing and scary headlines are hitting you all day, every day. Most consumers today, they need the right guidance. They need to know the facts and data to really see what's going on in the market so they can make the right decision for them and the family. So today we'll answer three big questions. So question number one, will the interest rates keep on rising? Question number two, will the home prices finally go down? And question number three, should you buy now or should you wait?
And we are back with another market update for Queens for the month of October. So looking at the current data from OneKey MLS for residential, condos, and co-ops, we have currently a total of 5528 listings. So we have 1367 new listings, which is 16% down from the same time last year. We have 735 pending, which is 30% down from the same time last year. And we have 727 closed, which is 32% down from the same time last year.
On the average, these homes were on the market for about 90 days. Medium list price for single and multifamily, it's $950,000. That's 6% up from the same time last year. Medium sold price for single and multifamily, it's $900,000, which is still up 5% from last year. For condos and co-ops, the medium list price was $375,000, 5% more from just a year ago. The medium sold price, it's $355,000. That's 2% more from just a year ago. So the bottom line, in Queens, the high interest rates, they didn't stop the housing market. They kind of slow it down. We still do see a home appreciation in certain neighborhoods. It cooled down though. And in some neighborhoods, right, Josh, we even see a slight drop.
What does that mean for sellers?
Well, for sellers, for you guys, there's still plenty of well-qualified buyers. The key is to price your home right since the day one. So that way you're going to attract those buyers and eventually get it sold. What do you see really means for the buyers, in the market today?
Yeah, great question. So for buyers, right, they have much more options now. The rates, they're still relatively low. There's much more inventory now, right? And the biggest thing, there's less competition. So if you're ready to make the move, it's important for you guys to get pre-approved and meet with your trusted local expert so they can help you navigate this changing market. So, John, will the mortgage rates keep rising? What do you think?
Yeah, this year in 2022, as you all know, the mortgage rate as of now, they're over 7%. And as you know, beginning of the year, they were like 2.5%, 3%. So they more than doubled. They really skyrocketed. And, if the inflation keep on going, that's the trend we're going to see. The good news is that there's different programs available today, so you can even get a 4% of interest today.
Wow, 4%.
So, yeah, if you're interested in knowing more information, definitely just DM us, let us know, and we can give you more information about that as well. Josh, what do you see ahead of the home prices? Where do you think we're really heading?
Yeah, great question. So in all 50 markets, the home price appreciation has slowed down. Okay. Now, it depends. In some areas, it's still seeing slight growth, and in some areas, you're seeing a decline. So it all depends on your local market. So the most important thing is the affordability. So you shouldn't only be looking at the mortgage rates. There's other things that come into play like home prices and wages. So in some areas with the interest rates, it's harder for people to afford a home. So you're seeing a slight decline in those areas. But in the areas where people have higher wages, it's easier to afford for people, and interest rates are not affecting those people much. The home prices, it's growing. So it all depends on your home affordability. So John, the big question is, should I wait or should I buy now? What do you think?
We get this question, especially now, all the time because of the high interest rates.
Yeah.
And I think, buying a home and becoming a homeowner, yes, it is probably the biggest financial decision you have to do, in your lifetime, but it's more of a lifestyle decision as well, right? So even though I know finances are so important, but maybe, there's more important things than just the finances. Maybe you need more space. Maybe you need to move to a different neighborhood. Maybe you're looking for that backyard or that basement or maybe that parking. So whatever that is, finance is one aspect, but lifestyle is really the other.
Yeah, man. So I completely agree with you. You'll have a place where you can grow your wealth, call it your own, and feel most comfortable.
Buying a home, it's probably the biggest financial decision, yet is the most powerful one because it impacts you but it also impacts your family. So if you have any question whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach us. And if you like this content, like it, share it, and comment. See you on the next one.